All right, guys, welcome back. Let's bust this little video out real quick because this is super easy super easy. So let's say your dashboard's broke, or like you have a lock in it and it's broke or something. You want to change it out, whatever you want to do. Okay. First thing you're gonna do is open the glove compartment. Right, and then you're gonna pull these two pieces. I'm gonna get in close and show you, and this is super easy. So you're gonna pull this apart here, right? And this one has an actual split in it, so you can move it. So it gets detached like that. And then pull this one, and then go back because you're one-handed. Now, you see all these screws in here, bolts. These four will just take this out. Like if you're gonna replace it and it doesn't come with another hinge, then you're gonna take these four out and remove that and then replace the broken plastic. If you're taking everything out, like we're stripping and we're selling this, so they might need the hinge, we're gonna remove the 1, 2, 3, I think they're 7s, and then that'll take this with the hinge out itself. Now, super easy video, right? If you like this kind of stuff, I'm putting together a complete strip down of Ranger pickup truck, so go to our playlist, and if you don't see something that you like or need, leave a comment down below, and I'll try to make a video of that within the next month before we get rid of this thing. So snap 1, 2, 3, that's it. And then just kind of pull this away from the wall here. It's got nubs on it. I got mine stuck on the ground. And there it is. Now if you take this off, if you have to do some work under here, like to get to the heater core or blower motor, resonator, all that kind of stuff up in here, it might be easier to work on some of this stuff if you take this out anyway. So good luck with you guys.